Wake up tired every morning? Feeling sluggish before your day even begins? Ancient Vedic sages found the ultimate secret to infinite energy, and it costs absolutely nothing. Number 1, Ushapana. Drink 2 glasses of lukewarm water the moment you wake up, before touching your phone, and before your morning coffee. This ancient ritual flushes out metabolic waste and toxins accumulated overnight. It fires up your digestion and kickstarts your metabolism instantly. Pair this with a few deep breaths of fresh morning air, and you will unlock a natural reservoir of energy that lasts all day. Transform your mornings, transform your life. Subscribe to Vedic Harmony for more ancient secrets to modern wellness.